How to tighten up a John Deere LT160 lawnmower belt. The John Deere LT160 features a 16 horsepower, overhead valve engine with a full pressure lubrication, a tight 14-inch turning radius, and a 42-inch mower deck. As the machine ages, the belt on the mower deck starts to wear thin, causing the belt to start slipping. When this occurs, the mower starts to cut poorly and a belt adjustment must be made. Fortunately, this is something you can do yourself with just one tool and very little time. Things you'll need: 13mm wrench. Park the lawnmower on level ground and set the parking brake. Pull the PTO lever on the right of the dash all the way back. Push the mower lift lever left handle on the right of the fender deck to the lowest position. On top of the mower deck, on the right-hand side is the engagement rod. A pin from the rod goes through a plate on the frame. Pull the engagement rod forward to align the pin from the engagement rod with the hole. Remove the cotter key from the pin and slide off the washer, while pushing up on the engagement rod. Pull down on the engagement rod to release. Hold the pin straight up and tighten the nut on the end of engagement rod 1 to 2 full turns clockwise. Reinstall the pin up into the hole, slide the washer over the pin and insert the cotter pin.